Now we will see how it actually works with 8086. Address bus of 8086 is 20 bits long, giving rise to the address space of 2 raised to 20. Total locations obtained from 8086 are 10,48,576, which are named from 0 to 10,48,575. Then data bus of 8086 is 16 bits long. That is in one attempt, or that is in one read or write operation, two different memory locations can be accessed and the respective data can be placed on the data bus. Then coming to the truth table, BHE stands for bus high enable. When BHE bar and A0 both are 0, the word can be returned to the memory or word can be fetched from the memory. Then when BHE bar is 0 and A0 is 1, it enables only odd bank and the retrieved data get placed on the D8 to D15 lines. Whereas when A0 is 0 and BHE bar 1, it activates even bank and the respective data get placed on the D0 to D7 lines. If the data is 2 bytes long and consisting of 2 bytes x and x plus 1, which is situated at even address, then assume that x is located at 0th address, whereas the higher byte is stored with the successive address present in the odd memory bank. Then leaving LSB, the other lines A1 to A19, these are connected to the both banks. When A0 is 0 and BHE bar 0, the two locations are accessed by processor and the respective data get fetched from memory and are placed on these D0 to D15 lines. So in one read operation, the word can be read by processor. Whereas if let it is situated at odd address, then x is present with the 5 address, with the next successive address to this 5 is 6, the higher byte then gets stored with the 6 address. Now if you compare the bit representation of 5 and 6, it is differing in more than 1 bit. It is differing with more than 1 bit. So this word cannot be read in one read operation. Instead, with first read operation, A0 get deactivated and BHE bar get set to 0 to access this fifth location. Then x get read in one read operation, whereas with the next successive read operation, BHE bar gets set to 1, deactivating this odd bank, and A0 get activated, A0 get set to 0 in order to activate this even bank, and then from A1 to A19 combination, this which is representing 6, x plus 1 get read. So in other words, when the lower byte of the word is situated at even address, which describes this situation where x is stored with 0 and x plus 1 is stored with 1. When lower byte is situated at even address, in one read operation or in one write operation, the data can be fetched from memory or can be returned to the memory. Whereas from the word, if lower byte is situated at the odd address, then two read or write operations are going to be performed in order to read the memory locations or write the memory locations. Thank you.